The Gifts of Earth. Unveiling nature's abundance through the lens of Ambrosia. Nature's bounty is a tapestry woven from countless threads of life, each contributing its own vibrant hue to our world. In the context of the Ambrotos community, these gifts are especially cherished as they embody both sustenance and spiritual significance. The concept of nature's bounty extends beyond mere survival. It encompasses an intricate relationship between humans and their environment that has been cultivated over centuries. This deep connection forms the foundation upon which we explore the rich offerings found within our natural surroundings. Diverse flora. The green lungs of our planet. Trees stand tall as silent sentinels across landscapes, providing shelter, oxygen, and resources essential for human existence. Their roots delve deep into soil, drawing nourishment while preventing erosion that threatens fertile ground. Beneath their canopies, undergrowth flourishes, mosses, ferns, and wildflowers interweave in delicate ecosystems teeming with biodiversity. These plants play crucial roles in nutrient cycling, decomposing organic matter back into usable compounds for other organisms. Fruit-bearing trees. From mangoes to figs, these botanical marvels offer nourishment while supporting pollinator populations vital for ecosystem balance. Medicinal herbs. Plants such as echinacea and ginseng have been used for millennia by indigenous communities for healing purposes, showcasing nature's inherent wisdom. Abundant fauna. A symphony of life. Wildlife thrives in every corner of our planet, creating complex webs of interaction that sustain ecological equilibrium. Birds, mammals, insects, and aquatic creatures all contribute uniquely to maintaining healthy environments through various biological functions. Insects, often underestimated, serve as nature's architects. Bees pollinate flowers, ensuring plant reproduction, while ants aerate soils, aiding water infiltration and root development, an invisible yet powerful contribution to land fertility. Pollinators, tiny but vital contributors. A single honeybee colony can visit up to 2 million blossoms daily during peak season, transferring pollen efficiently between flowers. This activity supports approximately 75% of global food crops, highlighting the critical role pollinators play in agriculture. The decline in bee populations due to habitat loss. Pesticide Expo conservation efforts must prioritize protecting these diminutive heroes who work tirelessly behind the scenes. Sustainable harvesting practices. To preserve nature's bounty without depleting it requires adopting sustainable harvesting techniques passed down through generations. Indigenous tribes around the world employ time-honored methods that ensure resources remain available for future descendants. For example, selective logging allows mature trees to regenerate naturally before being harvested again. Similarly, rotational grazing prevents overgrazing by moving livestock systematically through different pastures at controlled intervals. Seasonal cycles. Embracing natural rhythms. Nature operates according to seasonal cycles dictated by celestial movements rather than artificial calendars. Understanding these rhythms helps us align agricultural practices with environmental conditions for optimal yield. Spring heralds rebirth as temperatures rise and precipitation increases. Farmers take advantage of this period by sowing seeds suited to warm weather, knowing they will flourish when summer arrives with full force. Celestial influence on agriculture. Historically, farmers relied on lunar phases to determine planting schedules. Some believe new moons encourage root growth while full moons stimulate leafy foliage expansion, a practice still observed today among traditional cultivators worldwide. Modern science corroborates certain aspects of ancient knowledge. Studies show that moonlight affects plant physiology indirectly via changes in humidity levels, influencing germination rates subtly but measurably. Ecosystem services. Invisible benefits worth counting. While visible benefits like timber and food receive much attention, less tangible ecosystem services provide immense value to humanity. These include air purification, water filtration, and carbon sequestration, all foundational elements sustaining life itself. Forests act as giant lungs absorbing CO2 emissions produced by industrial activities globally. 1 hectare of forest can absorb roughly 8 tons of carbon annually, mitigating some effects of climate change through natural means. Cultural significance of nature's bounty across cultures. Nature's abundance holds profound symbolic meanings tied closely to spirituality and tradition. For many indigenous peoples, specific flora and fauna represent ancestral connections or divine messages conveyed through natural phenomena. Rituals involving sacred groves where elders gather under towering trees illustrate reverence towards the earth's generosity. Such customs foster respect for conservation principles rooted deeply in cultural identity. Challenges facing modern sustainability efforts. Rapid urbanization encroaches upon once thriving habitats, threatening wildlife corridors necessary for migration patterns. Fragmented landscapes hinder species movement, leading to genetic isolation, detrimental long-term population health. Pesticides designed to protect crops inadvertently harm non-target organisms, including beneficial predators, controlling pest outbreaks naturally. Striking a balance becomes imperative amidst growing demands placed upon limited arable lands. Fostering community engagement toward conservation goals. Active participation from local communities strengthens conservation initiatives significantly. When people understand direct links between preserving wilderness areas and improving quality of life, support grows organically. Educational programs tailored specifically for youth cultivate appreciation early on, instilling values of stewardship toward shared planetary heritage. Schools incorporating outdoor learning experiences enhance comprehension far better than textbooks alone ever could. Technological innovations enhancing sustainable living. Advancements in renewable energy technologies now enable cleaner alternatives, reducing reliance solely on fossil fuels extracted destructively from fragile ecosystems. Solar panels and wind turbines generate electricity without emitting harmful greenhouse gases. Biodegradable materials developed recently aim to replace plastic products clogging oceans and disrupting marine life. These innovations reflect society's evolving consciousness regarding responsible consumption behaviors. Conclusion: reflecting on nature's bounty reveals how intricately connected we are to the living systems surrounding us. Every element contributes harmoniously, forming resilient networks capable of enduring challenges posed by modern civilization. To honor these gifts, individuals must adopt mindful approaches, prioritizing sustainability wherever possible. By valuing what the earth provides wisely, we secure prosperity not just personally but collectively for generations ahead.